Scotty, how's the seat, sir?
Well, we're about 95% better. He had to have this behind the seat to keep it proper, because the seat would just twist and tilt.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people don't realize that these pieces right here are actually the adjustment for the seat. You've got spacers, so you can twist, you know, that type of idea. There was no nuts, so they just kind of fell out. So the seat would go too far back and twist to one side. So if you look,
It's got a little play on this side.
that screw is completely stripped out.
Yep, because that goes into the actual framework of the seat.
Nothing we can do unless I try and get in there with a nut, which is an absolute nightmare. But
This side
is
snugged up and nice.
perfect.
Yeah.
So,
All right, well, driver's seat's fixed.
yep. And we'll clean everything up.
When it goes back together.
So I just got some really, really good leather cleaner in, so we'll wipe all the leather parts down, make them look nice and presentable again. Because it's been sitting for a while, so it's actually just mostly dust, but they need to be conditioned. So
What's going on? I'm getting started on the engine harness itself. Everything back here done.
no,
Minus
we
putting
still have to do
tank
the
in.
bushings on the back end.
Bushings in the tank.
Yep.
Yeah, and that's it. And shocks. That's quick and easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but wiring wise, the back's done. New puke tank in and done and pretty.
And water pump is getting ready to go on.
Yes, we're getting the water pump situation ready. We're figuring out all that stuff.
So we've got
now.
everything taken care of that way. This one will go on. There's the starter for it.
We'll pop that
We
in.
have,
That's the bushings for the back.
so we can get that taken care of.
I have the new alternator bracket ready. I am going to go through a few things.
Adjuster
up there.
bracket.
Yep, we're gonna have this all coming together. Oh, Scotty, I forgot. Remember how you were like,
Oh, for the door.
there's a new one, yeah.
Nice. Sweet. Okay.
Yeah, so you're good.
And new bushings for things that need it.
That's already been addressed by changing the arms.
Okay,
Those just
and
kinda
we
live here.
have a new wiper motor going
Yep, that's
in.
got to go in. And a rattle thing for the window. You got more bulbs.
Bulbs! I got bulbs!
We got stuff going on here. Progress.
We get it. The goal is, as long as we can stay focused on the car, nothing major comes in our way. This will be a driving, checked over, safe, sound, music on, T-tops off, wind in our hair,
There you go, Scotty. That's great.
running car by the end of the month.
Yes, but
So
we do
August
have
31st is the goal,
we do have things to discuss with the cluster and everything else that we've
because
posted
it still
earlier.
needs some new parts put in it.
We're gonna make a list, and it'll all be sent over tonight. But we have more stuff going today too, so we will have more video still today.